Hello my friends, welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw an airplane. Let's get started.
Zooming through the sky so blue, high above the world we knew. Up and down the clouds we chase, flying in our favorite place. Wings that sparkle in the sun, soaring birds we join the fun. Loops and spins we love to dive, feeling oh so much alive. Engines roar and hearts will soar, feet are barely on the floor. Sky so wide, the air so free, let's just fly eternally. City lights down far below, tiny cars all in a row. Mountains look like tiny hills, speeding past gives such a thrill. Engines roar and hearts will soar, feet are barely on the floor. Sky so wide, the air so free, let's just fly eternally. Gliding through the sunset's hues, golden reds and fading blues. Dreams take flight and twilight's kiss, moments here we won't dismiss. Roaring high up in the blue, with every loop and spin there's so much to do. Airplanes soaring, taking flight, chasing moonbeams in the night. Fly, fly high, touch the sky, up where rainbows lie. Wings spread wide, let's take a ride on this airplane with you
Green.
On my side.
Blue.
From the mountains to the sea we go so far, touching every tippy top of a shimmering star. Pilot hats on, smile so bright, every journey feels just right. Through the clouds and over towns we're never ever coming down, whizzing past the sunlit streams, living out our wild dreams.
Red.
From the mountains to the
Blue.
sea we go so far, touching every tippy top of a shimmering star. Pilot hats on, smiles so bright, every journey feels just right.
Yellow. Red.
From the mountains to the sea we go
Sandy
so
brown.
far, touching every tippy top
Red.
of a shimmering star. Pilot
Cream.
hats on, smiles so bright,
Red.
every journey feels
Green.
just right. Every journey on my side.
Blue. Thank you for watching.